Processed junk foods are everywhere, full of sugar, salt and fat. They can have devastating effects on your health, but what are the real worst foods to eat? That's not to say that the foods featured on this list are things you should never eat again, but if you want to follow a healthy diet, then try to keep your intake of these 5 foods to a minimum. 1. Cheesy fries. It's no secret that fries are high in salt, fat and calories, and adding large amounts of cheese to this already unhealthy food makes this a terrible recipe for your health. A regular portion of fries contains around 420 calories. Throw in 100 grams of cheddar cheese on top of this, and you will be adding a further 400 calories and 35 grams of fat to the fries. 2. Fried desserts. Anything deep fried is a poor health choice, and coating a dessert that is already high in sugar and fat in batter is something you should avoid. Fried foods can clog up your arteries, which can, over time, lead to heart attacks, strokes and diabetes. Don't think this doesn't apply to pineapple and banana fritters too. Just because they are fruit, they have still been cooked in batter and will also be swimming in a sugary syrup. 3. Cereals. Many of us start our day with a bowl of cereal, but in some cases, this breakfast choice can actually contain many harmful ingredients. Some breakfast cereals, specifically those aimed at children, contain preservatives to make them last longer, artificial dyes, flavorings and high amounts of sugar. An article published in the Journal of American Dietetic Association found that cereals marketed at children contain more sodium, carbohydrates, sugar and calories per gram than those not marketed to children. Where possible, try to stick to cereals that are high in fiber and low in sugar. 4. Pork scratchings, pork rind or crackle. Perhaps unsurprisingly, deep-fried pig skin covered in salt makes it onto our list of the 5 worst foods to eat. If you've ever had a bag of pork scratchings, then you might have had the pleasure of finding a piece that still has a few hairs on it. Pig hair is usually removed by burning the skin quickly before it's cut up and cooked in the hot fat, but occasionally, some hair remains on the skin. 5. Fizzy drinks. Although they are technically not a food, fizzy drinks still rightly deserve a place on the unhealthy food list. The health implications of regular consumption of fizzy drinks include heart disease, tooth decay and osteoporosis. Fizzy drinks also contain enormous amounts of hidden sugar, with the average can of Coke containing 10 teaspoons. Even diet drinks that seem more healthy should generally be avoided, as although they might be lower in calories than full-fat versions, they still contain artificial sweeteners which can rot tooth enamel over time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.